Anecdotes are a lot like the snowball effect, where in the beginning stages, telling anecdotes is a lot like the snowball effect, where in the beginning stages, the snowball is very tiny, but once it's pushed, it begins to roll and get bigger and bigger. And it's similar to anecdotes, where in the beginning stages, we're not going to be too sure on what we should tell anecdotes on. But once we tell our first anecdote, we're going to get that snowball rolling. To tell our first anecdote, I highly suggest you follow the emotions. It doesn't matter which emotion it is. What's that one thing that's been pissing you off? I'm talking about whenever you're in the car, you're just imagining yourself talking to the person that pissed you off, and you're saying stuff that you wished you said to them back then. Recall a moment like that. What about a very happy moment? As soon as you think of it, it just makes you feel alive. What about a sad moment? I mean, this was a sad moment where you thought being sad just happened at one moment, then you're going back to your regular life. But in this moment, you were sad, and then you were delivered another sad news, and another sad news, and another sad news. Find an ambiguous emotion like that, and simply clarify it with words. That's all it takes to share an anecdote. We find ambiguous emotions that's haunting us. And haunting us can even be a good thing, where that happy emotion, like no matter what, whenever we're feeling bummed out, that happy emotion, we're not even consciously thinking of it. It just comes out of nowhere. That's what I mean by haunting you. It's something subconscious at this point. Recall an ambiguous blob like that, and then just keep clarifying it with words. Okay, just keep clarifying it, keep clarifying it, keep clarifying it. And once you told your first anecdote, you officially got the snowball rolling a little bit. Keep rolling it more. Tell another anecdote by finding another big blob and recalling it with more and more details. Each time that you're writing out these anecdotes, each time that you are capable of not only feeling better, but you have a tale that makes sense of ambiguous emotions.